In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching profile picture using app.photoroom.com. This tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure you can transform any image into a stunning profile picture effortlessly. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to app.photoroom.com. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a Create button. Click on that to start your journey towards your new profile pic. Navigating the Photoroom interface is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it to make sure everything is crystal clear. After clicking Create, scroll down until you find the section dedicated to profile pictures. This part of the page is specifically designed to cater to your needs for creating profile photos, making the process as streamlined as possible. You can easily spot the Profile Pic section because it's well organized and stands out from the rest of the options. Once you've reached the Profile Picture section, it's time to have a little fun. Here you will find a variety of templates to choose from. Selecting a template is important because it sets the tone and style for your final image. Whether you're aiming for something sleek and professional or fun and vibrant, there's something here for everyone. Trust your instincts and pick a template that speaks to you and your personal or professional brand. With your template chosen, Photoroom will spring into action, creating a dedicated workspace for your project. This is where the magic really happens. In your workspace, you'll be prompted to upload an image that you want to use as the basis for your profile picture. Make sure to choose an image that you feel represents you well, perhaps a favorite photo where you feel confident and happy. Uploading is a breeze, and Photoroom's system is designed to make sure that your photo is seamlessly integrated into the template you've selected. You'll be able to see real-time updates as your image gets transformed, aligning perfectly with the style and design of your chosen template. Once your photo is uploaded, play around with the editing tools offered by Photoroom. You can adjust things like brightness, contrast, and even add subtle effects to enhance the final look. These tools give you the freedom to fine-tune your image until you're completely satisfied. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a polished and professional profile picture that is ready to be shared across your social media platforms or used for any personal and professional purposes. Remember, the key to a great profile picture is confidence and authenticity, so choose a template that resonates with you and let your personality shine through. I hope this guide helps you create the perfect profile picture with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!